if you are thinking of buying this countertop microwave from Farberware, I wanted to do a quick video overview and let you know some of the things that you can expect if you were to get this. So first of all, this is a countertop microwave, which is really nice because it's really easy to move around and it's pretty lightweight, which is good. It also has these functions here, so you can do pre-settings for popcorn, potato, pizza, dinner plate, beverages, and frozen vegetables, or you can defrost as well, and you can also just choose your time if that is easier. But it has a really nice large display here that shows the time and the clock as well, and it's really nice and stylish, so I feel like it goes on a lot of different countertops. But overall, this is super easy to use. It looks really nice and stylish. It fits well. It's easy to move around, so you can clean inside of it or around it or even under it, and it's large enough that it fits a large dinner plate. So overall, this microwave is very practical, works really well, and highly recommended.